هلو ازيكم احنا كتاكيت، يا رب تكونوا بخير وبصحة وسعادة. Let's talk about my family. يلا بينا نتعرف على أسرتنا زي ماما وبابا وتيتا وجدو واخواتي. نتعرف عليهم ازاي بالانجلش؟ أول حاجة لما نيجي نسأل عن أي ولد أو أي راجل بنقول عليه who is he. who is he who is he who is he يعني مين ده. أما لما نيجي نسأل عن أي ست أو أي بنت بنقول who is she. who is she. أما لما نيجي نسأل عن ناس كتيرة فبنقول who are they. who are they who are they مين دول. تعالوا بينا نتعرف عليهم واحدة واحدة. who is he. he is my father. father father he is my father. who is she. she is my mother. mother she is my mother. mother. who is he. who is he. he is my brother. he is my brother. who is she. she is my sister. she is my sister. sister. who is he. he is my grandfather. grandfather مقولش grand. grandfather. grandfather. he is my grandfather. who is she. who is she. she is my grandmother. she is my grandmother. وبكده يا حلوين خلصنا my family. أخدنا father father mother mother brother brother sister sister grandfather grandfather grandmother grandmother. أتمنى يكون الشرح عجبكم. أشوفكم على خير وأقول لكم goodbye.